Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the easiest fruits you can grow in a raised garden bed, perfect for both winter and summer seasons. That's right, we're talking about getting fresh, homegrown fruit no matter what time of year it is. I've got 5 awesome fruits lined up that are practically begging for a spot in your backyard. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get growing. First up, we have the crowd favorite strawberries. These little guys are perfect for beginners because they're super easy to grow and are surprisingly resilient in both chilly winters and scorching summers. The key to happy strawberries is well-drained soil and plenty of sunshine. In your raised bed, mix in some compost to create that perfect airy texture strawberries love. And don't forget, strawberries like to spread out, so give them plenty of space. Now, for winter growing, you'll want to add a layer of mulch for protection from frost. And in the summer, make sure to water them regularly, especially during those hot afternoons. With a little TLC, you'll be enjoying sweet, juicy strawberries straight from your garden in no time. Next up, we've got blueberries, another fantastic choice for raised garden beds. Now, blueberries can be a little picky when it comes to soil. They crave that acidic environment, which can be tricky in a regular garden. But don't worry, a raised bed gives you total control. When you're prepping your raised bed for blueberries, mix in some acidic potting mix. Or you can even use things like coffee grounds or pine needles to lower the pH. And just like strawberries, blueberries love sunshine. So pick a nice sunny spot for them to soak up those rays. Once you've got them planted, make sure to water them regularly, especially during dry spells. And here's a pro tip. Add a layer of mulch around the base of the plants to help retain moisture and keep those roots nice and cool. Chapter 3, Raspberry Roundup. Now let's talk about raspberries. These guys are like the superheroes of the fruit world, hardy, adaptable, and always ready to reward you with a delicious harvest. Raspberries are pretty low maintenance and can tolerate a range of climates, making them perfect for raised beds. When planting your raspberries, choose a spot that gets plenty of sunlight, at least 6 hours a day. And remember, raspberries love to climb. So, be sure to provide them with a sturdy trellis or support system. Once they're established, raspberries are pretty self-sufficient. Just make sure to water them regularly, especially during dry periods, and fertilize them a couple of times a year to keep them happy and productive. Chapter 4, Blackberries, the gift that keeps on giving. Now if you're looking for a fruit that's as tough as nails and produces a bumper crop, look no further than blackberries. These guys are practically indestructible and can thrive in raised beds with minimal effort. When planting your blackberries, choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Blackberries prefer slightly acidic soil, so you can amend your raised bed with some compost or peat moss. And just like raspberries, blackberries love to climb, so provide them with a sturdy support system to keep those branches off the ground. Once they're established, blackberries are remarkably low maintenance. Just make sure to water them deeply during dry spells and prune them regularly to keep them healthy and productive. Chapter 5, Tomatoes, the honorary fruit. Last but certainly not least, we have tomatoes. Now I know what you're thinking. Tomatoes aren't a fruit. Well, technically they are. But more importantly, they're a delicious and versatile addition to any raised garden bed. Tomatoes are surprisingly easy to grow and can produce an abundance of juicy fruits throughout the growing season. When planting your tomatoes, choose a sunny spot with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Tomatoes are heavy feeders, so make sure to amend your raised bed with plenty of compost or fertilizer. Water your tomato plants regularly, especially during dry periods, and provide them with a sturdy support system to prevent the branches from breaking under the weight of the fruit. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and DIY projects. And remember, growing your own fruit is not only rewarding but also incredibly delicious. So get out there, get your hands dirty, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Happy gardening!